Hello everyone! Today I'm diving into one of the most mind-bending concepts in the history of philosophy and mathematics, Zeno's paradoxes. Specifically, we're tackling the famous Achilles and the tortoise paradox. Ready to have your brain twisted? Let's go! Imagine this. Achilles, the legendary Greek warrior and super-fast runner, is racing against a slow-moving tortoise. To give the tortoise a fair shot, it gets a head start of 100 meters. Achilles runs at 10 meters per second, while the tortoise plods along at just 1 meter per second. Seems like Achilles should catch up in no time, right? Wrong! Here's where it gets tricky. When Achilles reaches the point where the tortoise started, the tortoise has already moved 10 meters further, so Achilles now has to make up that distance. But by the time he covers those 10 meters, the tortoise has moved a little bit more, and this keeps happening, infinitely. Each time Achilles reaches the tortoise's previous position, the tortoise has moved forward by a smaller and smaller amount. It seems like Achilles can never actually overtake the tortoise. What's going on here? Zeno's paradox suggests that the sum of an infinite number of steps must take an infinite amount of time. But modern mathematics says otherwise, so let's break it down. If we calculate the total time Achilles takes, it goes like this. First, Achilles runs 100 meters, which takes him 10 seconds. Then he runs another 10 meters, taking 1 second. Next, 1 meter, taking 0.1 seconds. And the next 0.1 meters takes 0.01 seconds, and so on. The total time forms an infinite geometric series, 10 plus 1 plus 0.1 plus 0.01 plus 0.001. The sum of an infinite geometric series with a ratio less than 1 converges to a finite number. In this case, it sums to 11.11 seconds. Yep, that's right. Achilles overtakes the tortoise after approximately 11.11 seconds. The paradox is resolved with the modern concept of limits in calculus. So what does this paradox teach us? First, it highlights the nature of infinity. Zeno's paradox shows how infinity can exist in a logical way, but modern math lets us deal with infinite processes and still get finite results. Second, Zeno's argument against motion forced us to confront profound questions about continuity, space, and time. And lastly, it played a crucial role in the birth of calculus, influencing great minds like Newton and Leibniz to develop the concept of limits and convergence. In conclusion, while Zeno's paradox seems to prove motion is impossible, mathematics shows that an infinite series of smaller steps can sum to a finite value. So yes, Achilles does overtake the tortoise. Thanks for watching, and keep questioning the world around you. See you next time.